Hi viewers, if you also own a Pioneer account, then a question arises in your mind also that if there is $0 in your Pioneer account for more than 1 year, then how will Pioneer deduct their annual account fee from your Pioneer account? So viewers, watch this video till the end because in this video I am going to answer this question. My name is Sazam Anthanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, when I started the chat, the bot asked me what type of information do I want. So you can see this message which is to help you further choose your topic below or type your full question in a single message. So I just typed the question and send it to the bot. After that, bot replied me and said me to select the relevant option. I selected the first one because I was having a question about fees, and then the bot asked me, are you asking about a general fee or a specific fee? It was taken. So I selected information on fees in general, and then he asked me which fees are you asking about. So I tapped on account maintenance fee. Then the bot replied me, thanks for clarifying. Let me connect you with a specialist who will assist you further in this matter. You can see the two other messages also, which is in order to keep the chat active, please do not close the browser window, otherwise the chat will be disconnected in 3 minutes. Please describe your question in detail. This will allow our specialist to provide you with a faster solution. If you have contacted us about this matter before, please provide the number of the open request. This was the first time I was live chatting, so I don't have any number of the open request. So you can see I was connected with the Pioneer's customer care live chat specialist, who is Mark. What I did is just copied the question which I asked at the start of the chat and then pasted in the message box and then send it to the Mark. Then after some time the tick turned blue. You can see this tick is right now gray. After some time this will turn into blue color, which means that Mark has seen this message. Viewers, I send it one more message, which is, or if I am unable to maintain $29.95 in 2 years, then how will Pioneer deduct their 2 years fee? Mark replied me by typing, I understand how frustrating it is to be deducted from the fees. And further he typed, I will be more than happy to explain those fees to you. I will get back to you once I am done checking. So I waited for Mark to reply again. I just sent it the message to Mark, which was okay. After some time, Mark replied me that thank you for contacting us regarding Pioneer account fees. To provide great service to all our customers worldwide, we charge an annual account fee of $29.95 USD applicable to all customers with a Pioneer account. The fee may be charged only 12 months after your registration to Pioneer. On the date of the charge, we look back at your transactions for the past 12 months. If you have received more than 2000 USD or equivalent in that time, you will not be charged a fee, as this will qualify you for a special waiver. Once the first 12 months have passed, you must receive at least 2000 USD or equivalent through any consecutive 12-month period to qualify for the fee waiver and avoid being charged. If you are charged, you will not be charged again for 12 months. The annual fee applicable to your account is provided for review during account registration and is also available to view in your Payoneer account. So this was not the question I asked. I again messaged him that I know about this, but the query which I am asking, I want the answer for it. He then started typing the answer. You can see he was typing. He replied me by messaging me that the annual fee will be deducted on June 9, 2024 if you did not meet the threshold of $2000 in receiving payments for the 12 months. So I created my Payoneer account on June 9, 2023. That is why my year was completing on June 9, 2024. But again, the answer was not yet close to what I asked for. So I again messaged him that, which means that the deductions will be on hold if there is $0 balance in my account on June 9, 2024. Then Mark replied, yes, that is right. So viewers, this is the answer for the question. So viewers, if there is $0 in your Payoneer account and 1 year has passed, then Payoneer will not deduct any amount. Once there is a deposit of $29.95 in your Payoneer account, those will be deducted. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.